Okay guys, let's see what Honey is opening. All of you.
You need to first open it. What is this? Instructions.
Yes. Okay, what is this, Honey?
Left,
it's
this
the
is right.
instructions one.
This is go, stop. This is left,
Wow.
right.
Wow.
So we can start to open this. Oh, this is all fitting for a map.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a pink color one.
And I'm...
Wow.
There's nothing, so you need to put this in that.
Oh wow, super
I'll tell
Honey.
you which beads you need to pour, okay? The silver beads need to be here.
Oh yeah. Let us see on the picture. Yes, silver should be on there. Yeah.
Don't worry, honey. I'll open it for you. I can open it. Okay, if you say so. That's colorful? Ah. I don't see any colorful beads around. No, you need to put each color into there.
Okay, so with this one we can make items like this, and then like this, and then like these.
Yes, that's the one.
And
So first
here
type
are
of
the
these.
instructions to do them.
First type of these. First type of these.
You can make a penguin, you can make a frog under.
You can make a penguin and you can make a frog.
This one is a frog.
This one is a frog. This one is a penguin. Let's sort these beads out.
Okay.
Green one goes actually here. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, what you can do is select one color. Come here, honey.
Okay.
Okay, put them here. Sit back, Arush. Sit back, koncho. Sit back. So
Can I sort out the beads?
select one color. Guys, what color you choosing, Arush? Green color is Arush. You can take white colors, Joshu. White colors you put them here, Joshu. And pink colors, Honey, you put them here, Honey.
Okay. I have to do the work.
You guys have to do the work. Otherwise, you are not feeling hungry. If you do some work, then you will feel hungry.
I won't feel hungry if I do work too.
Mm-hmm.
We have to get all these beads and sort it out. Joshua, these are more silver. These are more white. Thank you, Connie. You're welcome. Pink goes here. Blue actually goes down here. And yellow goes here.
Okay, first do your 3 colors, then you can do the remaining ones.
That one stick them together and then I thought you...
Harshita, explain.
We need to put this together. Straight up. And what's...
Harshita got this gift, guys. These are the key chains. She is going to make a key chains using these beads. She will show you how to make it. She is making one keychain, guys. Yeah, she is doing the beads like this.
There's a bead store.
Hi guys, Ashita got new toy. Its name is DIY Metallic Bead Creations. So she is having some 6 keychains. I will show you. Here, one jewelry box, 6 keychains, 2 cords, 1 bag of assorted beads.
Now we have to rearrange it again.
We can make all these
Ashita,
keychains.
we have to rearrange it first.
This one, this one,
Please.
and then
I know how to do very quickly.
they are showing us here in the step 1. We have to tie the thread here, and we have to put all the beads like this, and we can make the
Mommy, I have to
like this.
rearrange it again. You can also make it into necklace.
Guys, this is the keychain, and I put this ring inside of this one, and this is the cord. We have tied this cord. Now we are going to put all the beads one by one to make different kinds of shapes.
Mommy, almost.
And Arshita is arranging each and everything nicely.
Now it's all
She's
done.
putting everything in the correct order, in the correct.
It just took us little time.
Yeah, it took us some little time, but the kids are able to differentiate between. We have to put these
Hey,
three.
look.
Put one side of the thread. Then what we have to do is, can you put Ashita? We have to put the other side of the thread like this.
Okay, I'll put.
So next what you have to do is, you have to go in this way, in the opposite way. This is the second thread. You have to use like that, and this one goes here. Then you have to bring all those beads near like this. So in the same way you have to do. So first you have to put the blue one.
So, Mommy, can you teach me
then-
how to do the fish one?
Yeah, white one.
And then can I go over ours too?
Yellow one.
Can I also go over ours?
Yes. And white one. And then blue one again. Now show me. So you have to put all these beads. First 3, next 4, next 5. So after that you have to go like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah,
It's how much silver are they? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, next you have to do like this.
2.
This is the way you have to build a keychain. Look at guys.
Mommy, this one asking for 4.
Explain.
I just put these ropes together and I pull it and they come like this. Oh dear. Now what next I need to know? First you put the beads in. What's the next? On the left side.
Okay.
What's the next? Actually in the right side.
Now put this one here.
You put the beads in the right side.
Yes.
All of them?
Yes. Yes.
Like that, just this much into you need to put. Then you put this one here. I did it.
Wait.
You put these rope in. Then that's it. Now what's the fair thing? Oh dear. I just did it wrong.
That's correct only. Now do it. Yeah, you are getting our.
Now what's next? Pink?
Yeah, next.
Is it like this much?
Yes.
Please.
Okay. Hi guys. Arish and Arshita made all these keychains. This one is pink color. What is this, Arush?
That one is pink color.
Is the butterfly?
Yes.
And this one is fishy.
Yes.
And this one is
That one.
the
Man?
man. And this one is
Potato.
potato. And this one is
A frog.
frog. Like those things. A butterfly, a potato, a man. And this one is a dog, I think. Dog, and this one is a frog, and this one is a fishy. So they made the same things here.
I made all of them. Frog. It just has this thing. Do you know that? Do you know this thing? This is actually an attaching thing to your bag. Can you see this picture? Can you see a picture of a bag?
Yeah.
That's where you attach it.
Okay.
All of these keychains are to attach to the bag.
Okay.
Then they're having rope on the keychain. And this one, a dragonfly. Do you know what the dragonfly does? It does a dragonfly.
This is the dragonfly keychain, guys. Yeah. Very nice. Keychains are looking nice.
Chains. Thank you, Sandra Baba. I'll just do this by myself.
Okay. Do you like your gift, honey?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me.
Yellow, Green, blue, pink, silver.
Wow, perfect. You did a great job, honey.
Now let's make it. First we needed different ingredients.
Wow, super good. Chaya, different colors.
And there's this and that.
Okay, with the different items here too, okay? So good job.
Where can we put these bolts and stuff in it?
That Hari Mummy will tell you, okay?
These are for liquid. There's one and the pink one. Okay, I'll help you, Joshu. And then I removed it out. Wait, there's a little bit more silver ones. I finished mine. Oh,
Good job.
No one have finished the blue ones.
Okay. Great. Well done, guys, for collecting all these and segregating them into different boxes.
That took us not too long. It's short minute. This is easy to do it. This is easy to pack up.
Okay, easier.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good job, Nana. Good job through 3 of you.
Ha ha ha!